What if I told you there's a brand new YouTube niche that's still not saturated? And right now is the perfect time to jump in before everyone else catches on? It's called the Dream Nostalgia niche, and it's exploding fast. Channels like Fever Dream are already blowing up, gaining over 200,000 plus subscribers, with videos pulling in insane numbers like 5 million views, 4 million views, and more viral hits stacking up every week. And the crazy part? This content is simple, emotional, and insanely addictive. In today's video, I'm going to break down step by step exactly how you can create these viral dream nostalgia videos. Now let's get started. The first step is getting your prompts right. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the description, where you'll find a prompt template designed specifically for this niche. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into your preferred AI text generation tool. In this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Once you paste it in and hit enter, the AI will instantly generate 5 unique dreamy video concepts, all inspired by surreal, nostalgic, and cinematic aesthetics. Now go through the list carefully and pick the concept that stands out to you the most. If none of them feel right, you can also type in your own custom idea to make it more unique and personal. After you make your selection and submit it, the AI will immediately generate a highly detailed cinematic image prompt. This is what you'll use to create your visual. And right after that, it will also give you a video animation prompt, which is what brings your static image to life. The next step is where we bring everything to life. Head over to OpenArt, click on Image, which will open the Create Image section. First, choose your image generation model. You can use either Nano Banana 2 or ChatGPT 2, depending on your preference. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt we created earlier, return to OpenArt, and paste it into the prompt box. Next, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 for a vertical, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts format. Then choose 2K resolution for high-quality output, and set the generation to 2 images. Once everything is ready, click Generate. And within seconds, AI will create 2 ultra-detailed cinematic images based on your prompt. Now review both images carefully and select the one that looks the most visually engaging and cinematic. After choosing your preferred image, click Use Image, then select Image to Video to open the animation section. Next, choose your video generation model. We'll be using KlingAI 3.0. For the animation prompt, go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt we created earlier, and paste it into OpenArt. Make sure your settings remain at 9:16 aspect ratio. Choose your preferred resolution, and set the video duration depending on how long you want your final clip to be. Once everything is set, click Generate, and within seconds, the AI will transform your image into a smooth, cinematic dream-style video. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comment section.